What is up, folks? Welcome and welcome back. So it's your boy Official Keem Reacts, your Jamaican friend here. So I'll be reacting to Phil Collins' Another Day in Paradise. Live 1990 Phil Cam. Guys, I was born 97. This was recorded in 1990. So years before I was born, this performance was done. No, I don't have an experience about this. It's my very first time hearing or seeing this live performance by Phil Collins. Guys, I only knew of this man once when I did a reaction to him the last time. Couple weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, I did a reaction to him. That's the first time I've known about this man. And I know he can do very well. So let's see. Let's see what mind-blowing experience I'll be having right now. After this, I'll see you there. Let's go. Bro, 1990 was compact with people just to see Phil Collins. Bro, this man was famous, bro. Bro, in the 90s, bro, Phil Collins was famous, guys. Look how much people are there just to see this man perform. If so much people can attend to his performance, bro, he sings some hit, like hit that pulls in people to come and look at him perform that hit. Let's continue. Bro looks so young right here, guys. Bro, I could feel everything chilling down my spine, guys. To be honest, no gay thing, but guys, I can feel this. I can feel this already. And I'm not in this group of people right here. I could say crowd of people right here. I'm not in it. I'm far away from it. You guys, trust me. Let's experience what they have did before. Let's continue.
She calls out to the man on the street. Sir, can you help me? It's cold and I've nowhere to sleep. There's somewhere you can tell me. He walks on, doesn't look back. He pretends he can't hear her. He starts to whistle as he crosses the street.
Bro, Phil has a remarkable voice, bro. It is just so calm and chilly and just so quenching, guys. Oh man, okay, I'm sorry, but this is what I'm feeling. This is all I'm feeling about his voice right now, guys. Like,
Seems embarrassed to be there. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you and me in paradise. Oh, think twice, it's just another day for you and me in paradise.
guys, look at those female sitting on the shoulder of a man just to see Phil, just to hear Phil perform. I mean, like, probably they were short before, probably. But where are some of these people now? I guess some of them are aged. I guess some of them have kids, grandkids. You guys know, because it was 1990. A lot of people become adults. Even the adults that was here watching probably become old, like extremely old. So if anyone here watching this video, please comment. I want to know, because I want to say it is a joy to have you here. So please comment if you was at this performance right here. I want to see if you guys are still here watching to see others enjoying Phil's music.
She calls out to the man on the street. He can see she's been crying. She's got blisters on the soles of her feet. She can't walk, but she's trying. Oh, yes, think twice. It's just another day for you and me in paradise. Oh, yes, think twice. It's just another day for you and me in paradise.
Guys, the way I'm enjoying this performance so much that I admire the way he's just playing, singing. Guys, he's so good at piano playing. He's like a master at piano playing, guys. Singing while playing with the piano, bro. Bro, that's superb. Oh God.
Just think about it. Think about it. Oh Lord, is there anything more anybody can do? Oh Lord, there must be something you can say. You can tell by the light on her face.
Such beautiful voice, guys. Such beautiful voice. Quite fascinating. Quite fascinating. Wow. He has done a really good job here. Really, really good job. It is so great to hear this man sing, guys. Trust me. Trust me. I'm amused. I'm really amused.
You can see that she's been there, probably been moved on from every place, 'cause she didn't fit in there. Oh, yes, think twice. It's just another day for you and me in paradise. Oh, yes, think
I'm so good right now. Like literally, I'm feeling so good.
You and me, it's another day. You and me in paradise. In paradise, oh, oh,
Bro, if I was in that crowd, guys, I would be flicking right throughout that performance. No, I understand why so much people want to hear him sing, guys. I'm so caught up in his voice. Trust me, I would faint. Guys, thank you all so much for watching. What are your thoughts on this? Please state the next suggestion that I should react to next. I'll see you there, guys. Peace out. Oh boy, Phil. Great one, bro.